From passion to profession, begin at M.G.R. University. But turning that passion into a profession requires more than just talent. I am Chef Nalan, and I believe one thing. In today's world, cooking is not just an art. It is skill, science, and global exposure. That's why I choose Dr. M.G.R. Educational and Research Institute, a place where passion meets professional excellence. Here, you don't just learn to cook, you are trained for the real world. From five-star hotels to international kitchens to global hospitality careers. As the brand ambassador of Kerala, my mission is simple: to take your passion and shape it into a global career. Because every dream deserves a platform and every talent deserves recognition. Don't just become a chef, become a global professional. If food is your passion, it's time to think bigger. Join me at Dr. M.G.R. University, Chennai. Admissions open now. Hotel Management and Culinary Arts, Dr. M.G.R. University, Chennai.